Hello, so this is the lens, and first of all you can take out this part here, just unscrew it, and if you have dust here then you can just blow it out, and also you can blow off the dust from this lens. This one you can't really open, maybe with a lens wrench, but it's hard. Once I tried and I cracked one of the elements. And if you have dust inside of the lens, what you have on your lens is most probably just dust, because the lens doesn't have any glued doublet lenses inside that can develop the fog. Just take out these 4 screws from the front of the lens with the Phillips screwdriver. Just a second. They're pretty easy to take out. They don't have any Loctite on them. And after this you'll see you still need to take out a lot more screws. So you take off this part, and now you need to take out all of these screws from here. I think I need a smaller screwdriver. Let me try with this one here. This is it. These are much tighter. Okay, this is out. These are a little bit harder to take out. Okay. Let me not lose it. It was a little bit harder to take out. Just a second, because I don't want to ruin the screw. Okay, this is out. This one here. Okay. Good. And now you can take out these parts here. Just a second. I think you can just take it out like this. Yes. Now this whole part comes out. And this has 2 parts to it. Just a second. Here are 2 lenses. Let me just take out this screw here. Now you can take it apart, you see? This is basically it. Now you need to just dust it off. Maybe clean it with a microfiber cloth. And then you just reassemble it. It's pretty easy to reassemble because you see here you have just one hole, and here you have these 3 holes with these 2 pins. You can see you have 1 hole here, 1 here, and 3 here, and the 3 holes come to the 2 pins like this, and in the middle hole you just put back this screw. This is basically the focusing screw. Put it back in like this, then you put back, this is the same, you see here, you know, I don't know if the light is shining, here you have 2 holes, there you have 2 holes, and there you have just 1. These 2 pins go to the 2 holes like that. Now you put back this locking screw, then you put back all of the small screws. Let me just pause the video while I put back these screws. Good, so now I put back all of these screws. Now I'm just putting back this front element, and this here with this screw with the mark is for the locking, and this without the mark is for the zooming. Just put back this here. Now I put back these 4 screws. Just pull them tight. Okay, and this is basically it. And as you can see, now it's an unlock. And if I move, the lens focuses perfectly. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it's moving, you see? Basically the zoom mechanism, not the focus. It's zooming throughout its zoom range. And also the locking mechanism is perfectly working. This is basically it. So have a great day. Bye.